Hello friends, welcome back to another informative video on business topics. Today, the topic we are going to discuss is how to make money from coding. First of all, let's define what is coding and what we can do with it. Coding is the process of transforming ideas, solutions, and instructions into a language that the computer can understand. Now the question comes where we use coding. Coding is used for communicating with computers. People use coding to give computers and other machines instructions on what actions to perform. We also use computer code to program the websites, apps, and other technologies we interact with every day. Let's move forward to our topic, how to make money from coding. If you are planning to develop skills in programming, or have you been coding for some time now, but looking forward to tapping more opportunities? Here are some great ideas you should consider to make money through coding. The first one is freelancing online. Freelancing can be frustrating sometimes, but with the appropriate online freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and many more with the right mindset and marketing skills, you can get consistent gigs that pay for your needs. Use dedicated freelancing platforms. Companies and individuals now resort to these platforms to get work done faster. Get gigs via social media platforms. For example, LinkedIn is a social media platform where you can build an online resume, market your skills, and connect with potential and active clients. Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram also work in the same way. Jump on next one, online programming tutorials. Learning platforms like Udemy are places where tutors create free teaching accounts, organize courses, and sell them to their audience. The third one is develop valuable enterprise apps and APIs. One way to push your enterprise app is to advertise for traffic on various platforms. Once people start using your tool, you should consider placing basic and premium values on it to make money from it. The fourth one is blog about coding. If you love to communicate through writing, you can put that to use by writing blog posts on topics that discuss how to solve coding problems. Coming next on the list is develop open source coding tools. You can create data science and machine learning tools and modules with languages like Python and C++. Then you can put them up as open source plugins for a particular software like Excel, Tableau, or Microsoft Power. Go for coding challenges and contests. There are many coding challenge websites online where you can earn cash for winning a coding challenge or solving a particular problem uniquely. Sell language-specific ebook. If you're a pro in a particular programming language and you know how to put words together to make a teachable curriculum, then it's probably time for you to put an ebook up for sale. Editing and updating. Editing and updating with coding are way easier than you can imagine. If your client asks you to make some changes to a website, but same time he asks you not to change everything, just change the font or images, you will start finding a different app to edit the website with coding. You will edit the code, will open the CSS file simply you can change with few seconds. The last one is earning as code fixer and debugger. Many companies pay for finding little mistakes in their code. For example, time programmers write the whole code, they miss the braces or semicolon, which very common mistake, every programmer should be aware of that, but finding little could take a long time to fix it. So company hires people who know of asking them to bug and fix the code in little time, pay them good wages. Programming is a valuable skill. If you're determined, boundless opportunities are lurking around for you. So, nothing stops you from trying them out. Hope this video was helpful. See you in our next video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.